You spent 4 years in college, racked up $60,000 in student debt, worked your way up from entry level to senior analyst. Your salary finally hit $75,000 per year. You thought you were safe because you work with your brain, not your hands. And then on a Tuesday morning, your manager calls you into a conference room and says the company is implementing new AI systems. Your position is being eliminated, effective in 30 days. You have a mortgage, 2 kids, a car payment, and suddenly you're competing for jobs with every other displaced white-collar worker in your city who thought exactly like you did. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now in 2025. Companies are deploying AI systems that can analyze data faster than you, write reports better than you, code more efficiently than you, design graphics more creatively than you, and they don't need health insurance or vacation days or retirement contributions. The AI works 24/7 and costs the company about $300 per month instead of your $75,000 annual salary plus benefits. The math is brutally simple for executives. One AI subscription replaces 5 employees and increases quarterly profits. Your 20 years of experience means nothing when a machine learned everything you know in 3 hours. If you're watching this video right now, drop a comment below telling us what industry you work in and whether you think AI could replace your job. Also hit that subscribe button because understanding what's coming is your only defense. Let me show you exactly how this collapse happens and why almost nobody is prepared. The timeline moves faster than you think. First, the company announces efficiency initiatives that's code for "we're testing AI." Then they say certain tasks will be automated to free you up for higher value work translation. They're training the AI on your job while you're still doing it. You're literally teaching your replacement within 6 months. The AI handles 80% of what you used to do. Management says, congratulations, you can focus on strategy now. But here's the trap. There aren't enough strategy jobs for everyone. A department of 20 people becomes a team of 3 humans managing AI systems. Your college degree that took 4 years and cost $60,000 is now competing against AI that trained in weeks and costs almost nothing. Retraining sounds good in theory, but here's the reality. You're 42 years old. You have kids in school, a mortgage payment due every month. You can't take 4 years off to learn something completely different, even if you could. What would you retrain for when AI is advancing into new fields every 6 months? Today, it takes your job next year, it takes the job you retrained for. The unemployment system wasn't designed for this. It assumes you'll find another similar job within a few months, but when AI displaces millions of white-collar workers simultaneously, there aren't enough jobs, period. You're not just competing with local workers anymore. You're competing with every displaced worker in America, plus workers in other countries, plus the AI itself. Wages collapse because desperate people accept anything. Your career trajectory goes senior analyst to contract worker to gig economy to part-time retail. Here's what nobody tells you about AI unemployment. The people who created this technology won't save you. The executives who deployed it won't save you. The politicians who allowed it won't save you. You're on your own in an economy that no longer needs your labor. Some experts talk about universal basic income, but the math doesn't work if AI replaces 50% of white-collar jobs. That's 40 million unemployed Americans. Universal basic income would cost $2 trillion per year. Nobody's paying for that. Your parents worked one job for 30 years and retired with a pension. You've already switched jobs 5 times chasing raises. Your kids won't have jobs at all. They'll have gigs and side hustles and subscription income streams. If they're lucky, wealth concentrates at the top among those who own the AI systems and the companies that deploy them. Everyone else fights for scraps in the service economy. The middle class doesn't decline, it disappears. This is the future that's arriving right now in 2025. The question isn't whether AI will take your job. The question is whether you'll see it coming and have any plan at all. If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening, share it with someone who needs to know. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next warning, because the AI revolution isn't waiting for anyone to catch up.